Look at this Amazon listing. Decent product, good reviews, but still no one's clicking it. And we Ecomclips just changed one simple thing. Now, look at this. Same product, same price, but the conversion rate, it jumped like crazy. Here's the brutal truth. Your product might be amazing. You got good reviews, your pricing is competitive, but if your product image does not get the click, if your brand story does not represent the brand it should, and your A plus content does not hold the shopper, you are bleeding money every single day. At Ecomclips, we figured this out a year ago. We have optimized thousands of listings, tested hundreds of images strategies, and learned what actually converts. And today, I am pulling back the curtain and showing you everything. Let's start where every customer starts, your main image. Watch what happened when I search for vitamin supplements. See all these results. But this one grabbed my attention immediately. And why? Let me break down this psychology. I type vitamin, and that exact word is visible right on the bottle label. Instant relevance. But look closer. I can also see the quantity, the pill count, even what the capsules look like inside. Now, most sellers follow Amazon's rules in the boring way. White background, product centered, done. But at Ecomclips, we have spent 12 years of finding ways to maximize every pixel within those rules. Here's how we do it. Number 1. Embedded keywords visually. Look at this baking sheet. Clean, professional. Follow every Amazon rules. But it tells me absolutely nothing. Now look at this one. Same product category, but instantly I know it's non-stick. I can see it comes in 3 different sizes. I can even compare those sizes visually. That's the difference between a scroll and a click. Number 2, show your package strategically. Now, here's a trick most sellers miss completely. Look at this 2 vitamin serum. Which one looks more professional, more trustworthy, and more premium? Yeah, this one with the package. And here's the beautiful part. You are not breaking a single Amazon rule. You are just being smarter. You are showing the actual box, adding key information like dose or volume, giving shoppers everything they need at a glance. That's what stopped the scroll. Number 3, use props like a pro. Alright, check this out. One bottle, two completely different approach. This one uses props and the next one doesn't. When shoppers are scrolling through Amazon at lightning speed, they are making out decisions in milliseconds. A plain bottle image look clean, but props like turmeric powder, fresh ginger, actual capsules, they grab attention fast. They show what's inside without forcing anyone to read tiny text. Plus, they signal premium quality and build instant trust. Okay, so your main image worked. People are clicking. Awesome. But now what? Most shoppers aren't reading your title word by word. They are not memorizing your bullet points. They are looking at your other images and scrolling through your A plus content. And if those aren't crystal clear and visually compelling, you just lost the sale. Let me show you how to fix that. Here's a perfect example. See this size comparison. Simple, clear, effective. The shoppers know exactly what they are getting. Now look at this infographic. Those icons instantly communicate that it's PFOA free, non-stick, lid free. No reading required. Trust built in 2 seconds. And next, this is a lifestyle shot. It shows the product in action in a real kitchen. That helps customer visualize it in their home. And that emotional connection, that's what drives the add to cart click. Plus, videos like this one add another layer of proof and engagement. So, the bottom line, your listing images should answer questions before they are even asked. Now, let's talk about something most sellers completely ignore, the brand story section. Here's what you need to understand. People don't just buy products, they buy from brand they trust. This section gives you multiple cart slots. and each one is an opportunity. You can tell your origin story, showcase your values, highlight what makes you different. Look at how they use this space. First card, their founding story, how they started. Second card, what makes them different from other soap brand. Third card, their process, cold pressed, handmade bars, and fourthly, a direct link to their store so shoppers can explore more products. This keeps people engaged, encourage browsing, build brand loyalty, and yes, it absolutely impacts the final buying decision. And speaking of impact, there's one more element that can make or break your listing, your A plus content. Let me show you something that happens all the time. This is a basic A plus content one of our clients brought to us. And honestly, it's a mess. If you see the first module, can you even tell what the product is? They slapped a brand name on there and called it a day. And second, is this a pillow? A bed? What we are even selling here? Turns out it's an eye mask, but you don't figure that out until the third module comes. And look at this text block, wall after wall of tiny copy. Nobody's reading that. Nobody. Plus, the images look like they were shot on a phone like from 2015. Alright, so here's how we approach A plus content at Ecomclips, whether it's basic or premium. We use all 7 modules strategically. Module 1, Hero section. Product name, lifestyle image, brand logo, make an impact immediately. Module 2, key features and unique selling points. Icon works best here. Modules 3 to 5, we add product benefit, advantage, and differentiations. We also add trust badges, customer testimonials, and certification. For Module 6, we always add strong call to action with lifestyle imagery that create urgency. Module 7, comparison chart. Perfect for cross-selling and upselling. So, we took that disaster and turned into this. So, Module 1, now you can immediately see the product, the brand, and a lifestyle context. Module 2, clean iconography, easy to scan, no walls of text. Module 3, brand story that actually connects. For Module 4, you can see the key features with a clear visual hierarchy. And Module 5, color option displayed beautifully. Module 6, lifestyle image with highlighted benefits. And lastly, Module 7, product comparison chart for easy cross-selling. This isn't just about looking pretty. This is about guiding the customer, educating them, and converting them. Every module has a purpose. Every image has a job. Look, here's the bottom line. At Ecomclips, we don't see visuals as decoration. We see them as conversion tools. So, if your Amazon sales are struggling, maybe it's not your product. Maybe it's your pictures. Take your listing seriously because your customers do. They are making judgment in milliseconds, and if you are not giving them what they need to see, they are buying from somewhere else. If you're feeling stuck, that's exactly where we come in. With 12 plus years in e-commerce and a team that lives and breathes Amazon optimization, Ecomclips is here to transform your listing, one image at a time. Need help? Reach out to us. Mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's turn those clicks into customers.